Hello YouTubers, in this video I tell you how to create portfolio for graphic design. So let's start.
Hello, my name is Atif Tahir and I am a creative designer. Before starting the video, I would like to give a little overview of Nxvel. I have converted Nxvel into 3 sections. The first section is of Nxvel graphics. In Nxvel graphics, all the latest graphics software will have their videos. The second section is of Nxvel UI UX. So in Nxvel UI UX, the latest software to design user interface will have their videos. And the third section is of Nxvel Tech, in which you will be able to see videos of all the apps related to technology. So YouTubers, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. So let's start. How to create portfolio for graphic design. I have seen different designers who do not attach their portfolio link in their job posting or CVs. So there is a 100% chance that your CV or job post will be rejected if your portfolio link is not attached to it. So online you get a lot of websites that provide these services that you can create your portfolio on them. Some are free, some are paid. So let me tell you which website you can use to upload your portfolio for free. This is the best website for uploading your portfolio. So first of all, we will create our account. My account is created. I have linked it with my Facebook ID. So let's sign in. My account has been signed in. So you can go to this display picture and see your profile. How a visitor will visit your profile or your portfolio. The way I have created my portfolio. So first of all you will do your edit profile in which you will put your data. There is basic information, your display picture. You must use the display picture because I have seen most of the designers that they place some logo type or something like this here. Because that thing is for companies. If a company is registered then it can use its logo here. Because you can see you can add tame in it. So those companies use it, but the single designer should upload his pictures. After that you can attach all your social media links with them. There is a little description in About Me. You can tell your description about how much experience you have done in About Me. Or your typography is better, or in which skill you are better. So you can describe in this. You can put your work experience here. What projects you have done with which companies. After that you can add your contact number, Skype ID. So that if people see your portfolio then they can contact you from here. So how can we create a project? So you are looking at the header. There is a button for Create a Project. We will click there. So in this editor you can see different options, in which we can attach our files, in which we can upload JPEG, PNG, PDF, SVG, or we can upload any video. You can add text. If you want to add text in this editor. If you want to add description or title in Project Editor. So you can add text from here. You can embed any code. You can add Lightroom photos. And you can show different photos in grid view. There is similar option on the left side also. So let's upload a file, which I have kept in Creator Brochure. It is uploading. Similarly, if you want to type anything in the bottom or top, you can type here. Or this option will be available on the top also. If you want to add something, or if you want to add any other texture. So let's continue it. After continuing it, this project cover image. It will ask which image you want to cover. As I have shown you in the beginning, you can see my projects in it. So you can drag this picture also. And you can see as a cover preview here. You can see the preview here. You can see the preview here. Or you can add any other image also. You can make any other image. If you are adding brochure here, my method is that you put only one file in each project. Because you make many posts on social media. If you put many in it, then your portfolio will be very minimal. So try to place each project separately in it. We will put project title. I will add project title here. Yes, brochure. And I will continue it. The main thing is the project setting. In project setting, there is creative field. The category you will select. There is graphic design. There is illustration. There is for advertisement. So that in these categories, if someone searches, then your brochure or your project should be shown there. So I have done it here. The tools you have used. Whatever tools you have used, you will type there. If you have used Adobe Photoshop, then you can add it here. If there is Illustrator in it, then you can add it, so that they can tell. What is your experience? What is better? How is your illustration? How is your Photoshop? In which tools you have used this project? You have done it. So you can do it. After that, these things we do not use in starting. You can go in this. In discoverability, there is the description of the project. If you have that, then write that in the brochure. In the brochure, how much? Which font? Whatever things are there. How have you used it? Which sources have you used? For features. Keywords are the main. You will have to use keywords. In this, like graphic design. Graphic design. As soon as you write, you will click on the tab button. So that keyword will be generated. Brochure. So this is also a separate keyword. So, now more than 10 brochures. I am doing the brochure. More than 10. You can add keywords. After that, how will you publish it? So know your project is going to be published on Behance. So, in this way, your project, it has been published. Through them, promote. You can share your work on other social media links. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and in LinkedIn. Promote means Behance has also given this option. Through Behance. From here, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and in LinkedIn. Promote. You can share your project. So, in this way, your project is visible. In which, see this. These tools are used by you. So, this brochure has been created. So, I would like to see it in my profile. How is its view in it? So, see this. This, a project, has been added. Try to create projects, logo, or some book, or some business card. So, create there mockups. You will get mockups on freepik.com. As you can see, I have added mockup of mobile. If work has been done. So, in mobile, added in mockups. In this, your work. So, such mockups you will get on freepik.com. I will tell you freepik.com. Let's see. So, in this, mockups has been added. In this, mockups you will get mockups. In this, mockups you will get mockups. In this, mockups. In this, mockups has been added. In this, mockups. In this, mockups has been added. In this, mockups. In this, mockups. Mockups has been added. Mockups. In this, mockups has been added. In this, mockups has been added. In this, mockups. In this, mockups. In this, mockups. In stacks has been added. In this, mockups. In this. If you want to know more about me, please comment below. So YouTubers, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. I will be back next week with a new video. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.